The development of science and technology leads the pace of the times. The development of automobile enters intelligent, connected era. Hirige technology digs deep into the value of intelligent driving and intelligent transportation and other fields. Taking video as the core, focuses on research and development of intelligent vehicle technology, actively expands the market of mobile electronic products assembled on the vehicle before and after leaving the factory, through intelligent vehicle products and industry solutions, makes intelligent travel boundless, creates the future of the city with smart travel. Hirige combines technologies such as artificial intelligence, high-precision positioning, perception fusion, decision planning, and vehicle control. With sub-meter high-precision positioning unit, high-precision maps help to plan the navigation path and realize automatic navigation-assisted driving. Ultrasonic radar and surround cameras are used to identify and perceive the surrounding obstacles and parking spaces. And real-time positioning is carried out in the parking so as to realize automatic parking, valet parking, and intelligent call. Transforming commercial vehicles with technology. Hirige, through intelligent means, developed an end-to-end solution from the aspects of vehicle driving safety, vehicle intelligent management, and vehicle data application for various vehicle industry application scenarios. At present, Hirige's commercial value business has covered industries such as smart bus, taxi, online car hailing, freight logistics, and construction vehicles. Video intelligent analysis is integrated to dig the vehicle-centered data information and improve operation efficiency of enterprises. The intelligent connected era has come. Hirige walks with the times to witness the majestic innovation of science and technology. Adhering to the core mission of enabling safer driving and smarter vehicle with innovative R&D capability and high-precision manufacturing technology, we are committed to enabling the smart car industry to flourish. Boundless smart transportation and shared future built by technology.